Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first concrete steps. Install Git and sign up for GitHub, then configure your user. Name and user. Email so commits are tracked. Once done, create a local project folder, add a README. MD, run Git init, stage files with git add, and make your first commit with git commit m initial commit. This creates a local history you control. Make sure commits are small and descriptive, so history stays useful. Next, connect your local repo to GitHub and push changes. Create a remote repository on GitHub and copy the HTTPS or SSH URL. Choose SSH if you prefer key-based auth. Then run git remote add origin URL and verify with git remote v. Once linked, standardize the default branch, for example git branch m main, and push with git push u origin main. This uploads commits to GitHub and sets origin/main. Finally, adopt branching and collaboration practices to complete the workflow. Create a feature branch with git checkout bfeature/name, commit changes there, and push the branch to origin. Once ready, open a pull request on GitHub, describe the change, request a reviewer, and merge after approvals. If something goes wrong, push rejected or conflicts. First check authentication and correct remote URL. Then git fetch origin and rebase or merge to resolve conflicts locally before pushing again. Keep commits focused to simplify reviews.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.